9 proven strategies on how to make money. Any opportunity that promises you'll make money fast overnight, run the other direction. The only time we've ever come across cash that quick is finding a $5 dollar on the street. We've got some money-making ideas for everyone. 1. Make money with online surveys. Use a survey site like Survey Junkie. You can share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. If you have some spare time during your lunch break or commercials, it's a great way to make money fast. Sign up for Survey Junkie and make some fast money online. 2. Get free gift cards with Swagbucks. When you join Swagbucks, you can get cashback when you buy online from more than 1,500 retailers, including places you probably already shop like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. You can redeem your points for gift cards or get cash back through PayPal. 3. Cashback for your purchases. Ibotta is an app that lets you earn cashback on purchases you make at select stores. They've paid back over $500 million to smart shoppers like you. How much can you save? 4. InstaGC. InstaGC lets you receive digital gift cards for doing things online like completing surveys, watching videos, and searching the web. Choose from over 350 digitally delivered gift cards. 5. Turn your skillsets into services. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers can earn money for their services. You can sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to a global audience. 6. Babysit. Forget checking Craigslist for part-time gigs. Parents post jobs on Sitter City for everything from a full-time nanny to the occasional part-time, date-night sitter. 7. Bank sign-up offers. There is so much competition between banks that some offer cash bonuses when you open a new account as a way to attract new customers, and for you to save money. There are usually some stipulations. You use direct deposit or pay a certain number of bills online. The account must be open for a minimum length of time or keep a minimum balance. 8. Online real estate investing. Simply put, Fundrise gets you access to million-dollar real estate deals with a contribution as small as $500. They get the deals and automatically invest your money based on some simple questions you answer when you first sign up. Passive income at its finest. 9. Buy rental properties online. You don't know how to tell a good property from a bad one, you don't know how to fix a sink, you don't know how to screen tenants. With Roofstock, you don't have to. They are a turnkey real estate company. You just choose a house from their portfolio, and the rest is done for you. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.